Well, good morning, lovelies. Thank you for watching Our Sweet Home Life. This is the remainder of the roll dough that I had made up on Friday and had baked on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, so I had just put the remainder of the dough mixture in the refrigerator and let it rise again. So these have been rising for about 1 hour. So they have another hour to go, but kind of just wanted to give you an update. Really risen beautifully. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? They're just as pretty as the first batch. And did is after I baked the first batch, is just put the bowl back into the refrigerator and lightly covered it with the plastic wrap and didn't do anything else to it. And this morning I just got the bowl out and rolled our rolls again and put the remainder in the little bread loaf. So anyway, it's going to be good, good. Mama said nothing but good. So try the yeast rolls and I'm sure you will love them. Well, lunch is on. We're going to have some delicious soup and our rolls. And I went out to the hoop house to see if there was any basil in it, but we didn't have any basil. But we did have some parsley and some mint. See how lovely our parsley and mint are? I'm going to drink me some green tea and put some mint in it, and I'm going to put this parsley in our soup. Okay, here is a video of our wonderful lunch, homemade soup and the fresh rolls. I've already completed a video about making soup, so if you're interested in homemade soup, you can go back and visit that video. But thank you for watching Our Sweet Home Life, and we're going to eat some lunch. Thank you for liking and subscribing and sharing. Our channel is starting to grow because of you. Continue the good work. Thank you for your help. See you later.